Alright, so this is one of the simple and the best way of attracting wealth and prosperity into your life. You are to go and fetch some amount of river, a flowing river. Fetch some amount of river, as you can see in the video, and then you are to collect a rainwater, the one which is falling directly from the sky. Do not fetch from the roof or from the roofing sheet. You are to fetch the one which is falling directly from the sky. Then you add it to this river water. You are to use this water to bath at exactly 11 o'clock p.m. for 9 days. You are to use it to bath for 9 days. And prosperity, wealth, and money will never despite your life. Prosperity, wealth, money will continue to flow in your life as the river is flowing till the end of your life. You subscribe to my channel, you like the video, and then you share.